Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a mega epic Scentsy unboxing haul for you guys. This is a $600 Scentsy order. So first and foremost, before you guys going, oh, well you spent $600 on Scentsy, that's crazy. I am a Scentsy consultant. This is from a group order where I got $600 in PRS sales for a party. I'm getting ready to unpack things that way I can start bagging them and getting them to my customers. If you guys are interested in selling Scentsy yourself, I definitely highly recommend it, especially this month because it is only $15 to sign up. I will have a link below if you're interested in signing up to sell Scentsy. $15, you get a mini warmer, you get a pink cotton bar, you get 15 catalogs, you get 15 scent testers, and you get some other various Scentsy items to get your business up and going. So let me jump in and get started. This may be a two-part video because it is a lot, and I mean a lot of product to show you guys. So this is box number one here. I have another box that is equally as big. This one says that it weighs 30 pounds. So 30 pounds of Scentsy here. So let's go ahead and cut the tape. And Scentsy always packs their products very, very well. So do that. So we have lots and lots of packing paper. We're going to set this aside, that way it can go to the recycling bin. So the first thing, this is not exciting for you guys, but this is bags because as a Scentsy consultant, I want to be able to bag my merchandise up, that way it looks professional, like someone went shopping. So that's for me to bag orders. Went ahead and ordered 20 bags. Up here we have one of the Scentsy Buddy clips. This one is in Stella the Unicorn in the scent Rockin' Ruby Raz. Currently this is in the clearance section for $12. I actually personally picked this up for my daughter. She's been doing really well with her chores, so I decided to reward her with that. The next item I have here is a warmer. This is for a customer. They went ahead and they picked up the Scentsy Around the World warmer. This is currently $50 on the Scentsy website. And this might be all warmers in here. We have here one of the plug-in mini warmers. This one is in cranberry glass. This is actually going to my sister-in-law. She's new to Scentsy and wanted to give it a try. So I know she picked up two of the warmers as well as some of the bars. We have here another mini warmer. This one is in Lily Garden. You guys will be seeing this in another video soon because this is one of the items that I picked as a half off as a party favor for myself. I did it in one of the bundle and saves. So I will unbox this in an upcoming Scentsy haul video. Let's see what's in this little box here. Oh, so this is one of the Scentsy diffuser oils. This one is in watermelon and red berries. I've been wanting to order some of the diffuser oils for myself, but I haven't yet because I want to get my hands on one of the Scentsy diffusers, and I think that I'm going to treat myself to that either this month or next. So this is a big box. We're going to go ahead and cut it open and see what's inside of here. This might end up being Scentsy bars because I thought that maybe these were warmers, but they're not labeled on the outside as warmers. So this is product. So let's see exactly what it is. So I'm going to slip that box right back into here. Oh yeah, lots and lots of Scentsy product. So I had some orders for some Scentsy car bars. The first one here is in Aloha Citrus. We have a black raspberry vanilla, another black raspberry vanilla, a sun-kissed citrus, Atlantic Air, and Mystery Man. So those are the Scentsy bars. We got some orders for the Scentsy pods. I know some of these pods are mine because once again, I had a party and ran all this underneath the party, so I ended up getting 3 half-off items and 80 some odd dollars in product free. This is going to a subscriber of mine who's a good friend of mine, Brandy. She picked up Blue Grotto in the Scentsy pods. I know this one is mine, and this one is in black raspberry vanilla. This one is shimmer, and this one is Luna. So those are all Scentsy pods, and I can literally smell those right through the package. They smell so good. So lots and lots of Scentsy bars. I was surprised that these weren't packed with cooling packs because usually they are packed with cooling packs. So I'm just going to grab a few at a time here. We have Havana Cabana. We have Shimmer. Blueberry Cheesecake. Mocha Doodle. Perfectly Pomegranate. Apple Butter Frosting. Aloe Water and Cucumber. Jammy Time. Black Raspberry Vanilla. Amazon Rain. More Aloe Water and Cucumber. I've been recommending this one like crazy to my customers. This is a very good, non-offensive, spa-like scent. You could put this in your bedroom, your bathroom, anywhere in your house. Great smelling scent. More Mocha Doodle. That tends to be a customer favorite. Oodles of Orange. Another one of my favorites that I've been recommending a lot is Sea Salt and Avocado. I thought with avocado that it would not be the greatest smelling thing, but once again, I really love this fragrance, and I highly recommend that if you haven't tried Sea Salt and Avocado, you give it a try. Aloe Water and Cucumber, like I said, I cannot stop referring this fragrance to people. Really good fragrance. We have Apple Butter Frosting, again. Honeymoon Hideaway. Mocha Doodle. I'm pretty sure one of my customers ordered a 3-pack of this. Another Shimmer. Baked Apple Pie, which tends to be a Scentsy cult favorite. Paradise Punch, Sugar Cookie, another baked apple pie, and we still got lots and lots more of bars to go. Berry of Paradise. Ooh, one of my favorites. If you had to pick only one of the Disney scents, I would highly recommend the Cinderella. It's a beautiful perfumey scent. I am so obsessed with this that I put it in my subscription, so I have 3 bars coming every 3 months. I'm really looking forward to the Aladdin collection. It's launched on the website now, so you guys could check that out if you're interested on my Scentsy website. I did order the 5-pack of bars, and those should be coming shortly, and I will do a review and overlook on those. Blueberry pancakes. This is another one that I've been referring, because when it comes to bakery, I smelled this in sampler, and oh, this smells divine. It is absolutely delicious. We have an ocean, another Cinderella, because I know I talked 2 of my customers into getting 3 packs of Cinderella, so you're going to be seeing a lot of Cinderella. Another blueberry pancakes, because like I said, I've been talking a lot to my customers about that fragrance. Lemon sorbet. This one is absolutely amazing. I'm not much of a lemon person, but this smells like a lemon head, and if I had to pick one lemon Scentsy scent, it would definitely be the lemon sorbet. More Cinderella. Another blueberry pancake. Another apple butter frosting. Another Cinderella. Another blueberry pancakes. We got 2 more rows of bars before we get into the last box inside of this box. So yes, this will be a 2-part video. We have another Jammy Time. Here's something different. Accidentally in Love. Cinderella again. Ooh, this is a good one too. Apple Cherry Strudel. Go-Go Mango. Strawberry Taffy, which is one of the newer fragrances. Another Berry of Paradise. So you definitely can see what is popular amongst my group of customers. Caramel Sugar Cone. Another Cinderella. Berry Fairy Tale. Now we're going to get into that last box over there, and that'll be it for this part 1, and then we'll be opening another big box in part 2. Oh, that is heavy. Alright, so let's see what's in here. So a lot more paper that can be recycled. We have here an aloe, water, and cucumber scent pack. So that's what the scent packs look like. They're filled with like a gel bead, and they emit fragrance. These are great for if you have kids that are in sports. You can throw them in their tote, or you could stick them in your dresser drawers. couple of scent circles here. We have Paradise Punch, Perfectly Pomegranate, Berry of Paradise, and this is a whole box of what appears to be liquid products. So we have a shimmer body lotion here, and this is definitely on my list to get to, so definitely look forward to seeing how my customer ends up liking that. This is something I've been raving about. I went down to my sponsor's house. She lives a couple doors down. She got me to sign up for Scentsy. She had me smelling the Blue Grotto bathroom cleaner. Personally, I do not like Blue Grotto and melts, but when you smell the bathroom cleaner, it is amazing. It is so good. So I ended up talking a lot about this to my customers, and I got quite a few orders for the Blue Grotto bathroom cleaner. So that's one. That's two. Three. Four. We have a Clean Breeze. This is in the Scentsy Fresh Refresher. Scentsy Fresh and Blue Grotto. That's on my list to get to because I'm curious to see how it performs in the Scentsy Fresh. I like the Scentsy Fresh because between washing bed linens, I like to spray my mattress down with Scentsy Fresh. I like to use it on furniture. I like to use it in my car. Another Blue Grotto bathroom cleaner. And a Aloe Water and Cucumber Scentsy Fresh. So that is everything for part one of the Scentsy unboxing. So I hope you guys stay tuned for part two. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I will have a link to part two in the comment section. Bye, everyone.